Hello, good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So we're traveling from LA to Salt Lake City.
Infants under 2 years of age and Flying Blue Ultimate members to come forward.
From Salt Lake City we traveled to Amsterdam and Amsterdam to Mumbai or Bombay. So it's 12 o'clock in the morning. Hello, so eto na nga guys, nandito na ako sa Mumbai International Airport. It's currently March 9, 2026. So bali umalis ako ng LA March 7, LA to Salt Lake, and then okay naman yung biyahe, though may delay kasi nga pinull out yung mga pilots. They were pulled out from the team ang sabi. Tapos from Salt Lake to Amsterdam, medyo na-delay din ng konti. Tapos finally Amsterdam to Mumbai. And iniwas ng pilot yung Iranian airspace. Basically Middle East airspace kasi nga because of the war. So dumating ako dito ng mga 12:30. Currently it's quarter to 9 na. So naghihintay pa rin ako kay Ate Nelly. She's coming from Heathrow. Bale, 9 hours na. Magmuna na 9 hours na ako naghihintay sa kanya dito. So, hintayin ko na rin lang. And then after that, pupunta na kami sa hotel. So, siguro for the whole day, matutulog lang ako kasi pagod na pagod talaga ako. And dito lang ako natulog sa mga benches. So far comfy naman kasi inuwi ko nga yung kumot ng KLM. And then siguro bukas na rin ako mag-tour. This is our room. Tingnan namin ang ating room. This is the bathroom. Shower. 2 beds. And let's see our view. Okay lang. Ay, so guys, kagigising ko lang. Hindi na ako nakapasyal today kasi antok ako. So, this is the view of our hotel. Tapos doon sa sa bandang dulo, ayan. So, overlooking Delhi. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung nakikita nyo. Pero nandiyan na yung Indian Ocean. Ayan na, Indian Ocean. Daw ka? So, nandito na tayo sa Mumbai at nagtutour. So, this is the Prince Albert Museum. Right now, it's closed because it was gonna open around 10:15. So, this is the vicinity of Mumbai. And I really like Mumbai because it's very clean and the air is so fresh. So, this one is really nice. So, guys, dito kami dinala sa isang shop kasi sarado pa yung aming our museum is still closed, so we're here right now. Is it okay? Here. Here and mukhang more expensive like stuff here. Here. I think I have something like this at home.
This is silver, and we have it in gold also. White gold and yellow gold too. This is gold.
Pashmina na rin. Ayan ang aming driver. We are right now here in the museum. Ito pangalan niya. This one. History of India. Especially here in Mumbai. Diba? Very nice. Wow. So stop over here is one of the university here in Mumbai, and it's a UNESCO heritage. But the thing is, like, we cannot go inside. We cannot go inside here, and there are some security here. This one, very nice. So guys, this is the Victoria Terminal. Look at that, it's very nice. Victoria Terminal. So this is the Victoria Terminal. Operational pa rin ang mga trains dito. Pero ayan na siya. Yan, medyo maraming tao. Ito papuntang Bandra. Tapos may mga foreigners din. Kitang-kita nyo talaga yung yung influence sa kanila ng mga British. So guys, katulad siya ng Manila. Ang Manila kasi may mga malalaking buildings. Pagkatapos sa baba, may parang area na hindi masyadong maganda. Ito naman, dito sila naglalaba ng mga kani-kanilang mga damit. Ayan, may jeans. Ayan, pagkatapos may mga white clothing, may mga blanket. Ayan o. Oh. It's nice. So guys, katatapos ko lang ng shopping. Bumili ako ng mga set na ganyan. Nabudol yata ako kasi ang dami kong binili, 4. So right now, we're going to Gandhi House. Mahatma Gandhi. My friend, we want to take a picture. Right there, okay. So guys, here in Gandhi House, I think it's free. Free siya. And then meron mga books ni Mahatma Gandhi. Mga photos niya. Library. Tapos yung dining table nila. Like a weird painting. So, nire-restore siya. Gawing museum. Pero free. Magbibigay ka lang nga lang ng donation. Or kung wala kang donation, pwedeng 40 rupees. Okay tayo. Indian flag. Ito si Gandhi.
She died in detention before him, I think, before
So guys, pinapasok ako ng 30 rupees ang binayad ko. So yung pinakamamahal nila na si Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. So ito yung bahay niya dito sa Bombay. And si Gandhi. balcony. Guys, ang ganda dito kay Gandhi kasi parang national hero siya. Pagkatapos may mga miniature tribute sa kanya. If ever you are in Mumbai or Bombay, must see itong bahay ni Gandhi. Napakaganda. Magsasaglit lang kami dito sa isang Jain temple kasi mukhang maganda. So kumain muna guys yung driver namin. So nandito kami ngayon sa Hanging Garden ng Mumbai kasi kakain daw muna siya. Dalawang park dito meron sa kabila na ang overlooking niya ay yung beach. Pagkatapos dito naman yung mga gardens lang, tapos buildings. Tahimik naman so far, malinis, quiet. Yung kasama ko medyo pagod na maglakad and it's already like magpo-4 na, hindi pa kami kumakain, breakfast lang kanina. So siguro after nito, uwi na kami sa hotel. Tapos doon na lang din kami kakain.
Can I have ketchup?
So guys, umakyat ako dito sa poolside para makita natin yung sunset.